One day, a guy at work noticed the black hair tie around his wrist and laughed. "Dude, are you growing your hair out?" He smiled. "No, my daughter loses one almost every morning, so I started carrying an extra." The other guy laughed. He didn't. It started because every school morning looked exactly the same. "Dad, where's my hair tie? I just had one. I can't find it." They look under the couch, between the cushions, inside yesterday's backpack, on the bathroom counter. Somehow, those little things always disappeared right when it was time to leave. So one morning, he slipped an extra one around his wrist, just in case. He figured he'd wear it for a day or two. Weeks later, it was still there, because almost every morning his daughter would forget again, and almost every morning he'd smile, slide it off his wrist, and hand it to her before she even asked. Some fathers carry watches, some carry wedding rings. He carried a hair tie, not because it meant anything to anyone else, but because it meant everything to one little girl. She probably won't remember how neat her ponytail looked. She probably won't remember whether her hair was perfect. She'll remember that before she even needed something, Dad had already thought of her. That's what children remember. Not perfection, preparation, not flawless parenting, faithful presence. The lie is that daughters only need their fathers for the big moments. Graduations, broken hearts, walking them down the aisle. The truth is that trust is usually built long before those moments ever arrive. It's built inside forgotten hair ties, bedtime prayers, piggyback rides, inside all the little moments that never feel important until 20 years later. Little things become the memories that never leave. Jesus said, "Whoever is faithful in very little will also be faithful in much." Maybe fatherhood works the same way, because daughters aren't only watching how fathers show up on the biggest days. They're learning who Dad is by watching how he loves them in the smallest ones. Sometimes the greatest expressions of love fit around your wrist. That's one of the reasons I coach fathers, because legacy is rarely built through one grand gesture. It's built through thousands of little moments that seem ordinary at the time. Brother, don't underestimate the little things. One day your daughter may forget the hair tie. She won't forget the father who always had one for her. If this reminded you of a dad who quietly shows up every single day, share this with them. And if you're trying to become that kind of father, subscribe, stay connected to the channel. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to share some of the same frameworks I teach the fathers I coach. Then go read The Father Wound. The first 4 chapters are completely free. The link is in my channel bio. My name is Spence, and I'm the Daddiez coach. From hustle to home, this is Fatherhood Rebuilt.